Yeah, we're going to watch Falcons.
Did you have another? Hey guys.
How are you?
Okay.
Are you ready, Aaron? All right.
Watch it, grab it! Pick up, Rob.
Push right.
Push right.
Oh, come on.
Take that. Oh, we never released it. There's a knock.
Let's go, Alton! Go, Alton!
Back it up, back it up.
That's it, nuts.
I'll help run. Keep it. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Mommy, my bag is right here.
Go, Alton! Don't run into contact. Oh, man. Put that ball out. Put that ball out.
Mommy, my water bottle?
Oh, you guys got your marks on. I would actually.
Hey, Brian! Brian!
If you could maul it all the way down.
Contact!
That was a.
Where's the feet? Oh, dude, that's as bad as it gets.
Right there.
Thank you.
Oh. That's a shame.
Shit! Too hard!
That's a shame.
Marlo! Marlo! That's as bad as it gets.
Yeah, that was the worst feed. All these cameras.
Yeah.
I'll just stay over here.
Thank you.
Thank you, quickly! They're not 10! They're not 10!
Yeah,
Go,
Bart.
Alton!
Pocket! Drop!
Good.
Get the support.
Pick it. That's it, you guys. Nice.
There we go.
Support.
Nice. Nice, Alpo. Yeah, Brandon, go!
Take it out, baby.
Yeah!
Yes.
Yes!
Yes.
Nice shot, Brandon. Water! Water! Let's go!
That was some great back and forth. Yeah, good back and forth.
They spread out the defense.
And they stayed out of contact for the most part, which is
They're not used to this. The teams they were playing yesterday were shitty.
yeah.
They came in too big-headed.
So they win.
Yeah, they won all of their games yesterday. I think the last game was like 58-0. Yeah. So.
Go Elton's team.
But I mean, they should have known, like, these are the teams that have been winning this whole weekend. They should have known to not come in, so. Arrogant.
Let's go, Alton! Over. Get out of there. That's it. Come on, spread. You guys are stacking.
He called that.
Same rep from yesterday.
Nah, it's a different
They did hit.
It It looked like he maybe got it, but
Grabbed it and him and Bull went down.
it was a valiant effort.
But we're going by the NFL rules, so what's a catch?
Oh,
He didn't make a football move, so. But in some instances, that's not interference.
Australia's part like Morgan.
Okay, after this, back your legs. Yeah, I would.
I fucking sprayed him.
I would
I'm gonna sit.
You with him?
Yeah!
That's enough. We'll take that. Yeah, nuts!
have made that.
It's a scrum.
Yeah, I thought so too. I definitely thought he was going to make that corner.
It was the right idea to pull back though. Just get 4 guys.
The way she says bye, she's like, bye? Bye? Damn.
Nice, babe. Keep going.
Keep going. You gotta watch out.
Sorry. I noticed a lot of he's like waiting for people to jump on his legs. Like to see a big man.
Get there.
I like those jerseys.
Yeah, those are really cool.
From now on, when I join the Motley team, I'm buying an extra jersey just so.
Go!
Go! Not your whistle! Stupid ass.
We had a girl who didn't end up going to England, so I have her phone.
Right.
And she went promptly crazy.
One big dude, he'll lose you fast.
She did not give any opportunity for an advantage there.
Their jerseys are really fucking cool.
I like that my colleague half rugby jersey.
This is the first time.
I've had I want to do a 7.
Oh, my shoulder's
And have all the names on the back.
He's big or
My shoulder's on this. Not soccer. What the fuck is happening?
Go Alton!
Nice, babe.
Sit up, boys!
Yeah, Bart.
Move up!
Spread out! Pull left! Fuck. Wow. Come on. Oops. Yeah, not even looking at me. That's good. Yeah, Bart!
It's off him! It's off him!
Quick, quick!
Half? That was pretty.
Spread right! Go!
Good tackle. Not that I could see it on the camera because they're not.
Spread! Spread out!
Let's go, one line, one line.
Go, Dwayne!
Good, Dwayne!
Oh, nice.
Good tackle.
Come on! I was going right out! I was going. Called Dwayne for not releasing the ball. What? The ball came right out.
Nice, Tony, come on, Mike, work.
Tristan, you got it!
Oh, that was a great kick.
soda.
Same guy.
How's that their ball? They kicked it out.
So lifting Elton.
Interesting.
Get it. Get it.
Come on. Yes.
Yeah!
Nice.
they kicking?
Yeah. Or not.
Why does it smell like somebody's money and what?
Shut up, Darren.
Get a rugby boy. Josh, nice, Brent.
Elton! 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 Let's go, Elton!
Doing a pretty shitty job of filming this. I keep getting distracted. I'm like, yeah. No, but I'll watch the game and I'm like, oh, the camera needs to point that way too.
Yeah, yeah, you're like watching it and the camera's not where I was.
Yeah.
You're like, oh, I don't know.
I don't know. You can't yell at me though. I filmed all of his freaking games yesterday.
That was like the guy in Madden 15.
Yeah, go, boys. Go!
There we go.
Big boy make moves.
Hey, I know.
Like every morning.
Nice.
We're in the lead.
I want this team to lose. Okay. Fans are annoying.
Ooh, what happened there?
Turf burn.
Huh?
Turf burn.
Where? When?
2 weekends ago. No, last weekend.
I haven't even played in like 2 weeks.
Oh, that
And
sucks.
last time we played, our fucking ref screwed us hard. Like, he almost called the game at halftime.
Why?
Because he said if anybody gets another red card, or if anybody gets another yellow card, I'm calling the game. I'm like, you're a fucking idiot. You're the one giving the yellow cards, so how are we supposed to pull that? And on little shit too. Like, so one of our guys got a fucking red card for going like this, and the guy running into his arm. And he said, "Oh, you elbowed him in the face." I'm like, no, that's him running.
You're supposed to, well, it doesn't matter. Like, you're supposed to be able to forearm the fuck out of somebody
Yeah.
as long as you're not, like, up
He
here
wasn't
with
like
your
this.
elbow.
He was like this. He was holding the ball and he went like this.
That's ridiculous. That's not a card.
Fucking idiot.
That's not a card.
Fucking hate that guy. He screwed us on so many games. It's a guy. It's a coach from South Valley. Ooh, what the fuck is that?
That's lame.
Yeah, like he screwed us like at least 5 times.
This flag and these people are so in my way.
Let's go, Ted.
Really, I hate you so much.
Get his Elton.
Hold him up, hold him up.
No, you're fine. Can't even see. I'm moving so you can see this later.
Get up! Get up!
Oh.
Good. He's not offside. He's not offside.
He's in front of the kicker.
Okay, go, go. Payne, Payne.
Shorty!
Sean. Come on, Feb.
Oh, boys, must score now down there.
Must.
Accidental offside.
Is that accidental? Or caught it,
Well, off the charge down, everyone's onside. It's
So it should have been play on.
it should have been playing on.
I know. Let's go, babe.
Let's go, Elton.
Can you step back a yard or two, please?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
everyone else steps back. I can see it, so works for me.
Softy.
Spread on D. Why did you give him that much room?
Oh, that was nice. That was a good pass. Come on, Nelson, get his ass.
Woo!
Go, Brendo. Take him down. Yeah, good pilfer. Right. Good pilfer.
Stepped him without even stepping him.
Yeah!
Babe! Yeah, so
You got that tackle in? I love when Nelson does that. Comes out of the way.
oh, I got it on camera.
Yeah. Roll the subs if you can. Come on.
Quick hands there. That was a good pass by that guy.
Yeah.
He was like,
wow.
yeah.
They gave him way too much room.
Yeah.
11.
This guy's got a good passing. Man, they had a ton of space out there.
Yeah. Give him like 30 yards. Haha, still miss his kick, bitch.
Did they make both of their kicks? They make both of their kicks? Did we make both of our kicks?
That gray or black? Yeah.
Sudden death here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Justin, go get that shit!
Got Piney up for that.
Oh, brilliant! Let's go, lads!
Take a kick.
Go, Elton.
Let's go, babe.
Nice scrum, buddy. Nice scrum. Free kick.
Turn face! Turn face!
Try time right here. Let's go.
Crusty.
Someone's ashy! Get ties out of the wing on
I would have chosen it. Okay. Come on. Quick.
Going out and over that.
You should have passed that to him.
Let me from the side. Piney, get up, Piney! It's daylight! He's on over!
Get on the room. Sorry.
Come on, here we go, Orange. Here we go. Come on.
Now these rules are fucking
Yeah, big hit, Piney, big hit here. Come on, Conrad on the job.
Diving over the rock.
So close.
Like on the side.
Keep scrum, boys.
It's just foreign.
Come on! Get up, Piney!
Fuck out of my way. Really? Ooh. Woo!
Go, Elton!
Go get him, Elton!
Keep working, Elton!
Nice, boys! Nice! Look at that!
Quick, go!
What?
High collar!
It was high. It was all around his neck.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah,
a high
I can see it.
tackle, a controversial call right here in Las Vegas, Nevada. This penalty
Get the check,
sponsored
get the
by Gatorade.
Good job, boys.
There they go. Philly's coming out, bringing the ball out. Go!
Come on, Dolphins.
He's gonna go. He looks like he's gonna go. He's gonna go too. Oh, what a shitty pass, a horrible pass. And he's going. He's got his support. He's got a ruck for him.
Poach it.
Oh, it's
Yes!
Fuck! A penalty.
Send him off for him!
A penalty to the... What are you guys called?
Noosa.
The Noosa? Noosa? A penalty to Noosa. Looks like Philly boys are looking at a potential yellow card here. Live in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Go, Tony.
Let's go, boys. Good job, babe.
Is he named after Honest Abe? Abe Lincoln?
No, babe.
Oh,
No.
babe. You said babe.
Yeah, I said babe.
I thought you said Abe, like
No.
Abe Lincoln.
Good kick.
Could be a potential new name, Abe.
Orange team from Philadelphia. And the other team?
Australia.
Australia.
Nice. Like actually flew from Australia.
Yeah. I don't know. We're not.
Nice.
I thought she called you Abe,
Yeah.
Oh, no.
but she called you Babe. I wouldn't call you Babe. I would call you Abe.
Oh, gee.
After Abe Lincoln. That's right. You're looking good. Looking good.
Yeah, boys.
Honest Abe.
Nice.
Oh, look at that. Okay.
Come on.
A nice line out. It's won by Noosa.
Fuck it. Let's go. Let's go. That fucking gap though. Yes. Yes. Fuck yes.
So we go!
Smoked it.
Nice.
Good job. Good smoke.